Phytoscience products are clinically researched and scientifically proven with cutting-edge, award-winning technology and ingredients from Switzerland and USA. The base of Phytoscience products revolves around plant stem cells used as an age reversal formulation. First, let us understand what is aging process. As per scientific studies, in human body, millions of stem cells are generated every day. These stem cells are used as a repairing and rejuvenating building blocks of every cell in every part of human body. For example, our skin cells are replaced every 10 days. Our red blood cells are replaced every 4 months. Our bones regenerate in 2 weeks. Lungs 8 days. Fat cells 8 years. Intestine 20 days. Liver 6 months. And pancreas between 20 to 50 days. As we knew in childhood, our body is capable of self-healing and repairing itself very fast due to availability of large quantity of stem cell in our body. As we grow older, due to our food intake, stressed lifestyle and chemical in our food, volume of stem cells in our body are reduced, resulting in many alignment and disease with malfunction of organs and glands. This we called aging process. With special formulation, Phytoscience products helps stimulate the growth of stem cells in our body multiple times, enabling your body to repair itself miraculously, which directly will help to fight aging and keep your body to function properly. Science has also proven that cancer is nothing but malfunction of cell multiplication, and our body is capable of controlling this cell growth. However, due to stress and chemicals in our day-to-day lifestyle, our brain loses its capability to maintain our body. Also stimulates our brain cells, rejuvenating them and providing them enough building blocks to even fight cancer to a certain extent. Our unique formulation provides all the necessary ingredients to help to achieve this. Few of the main ingredients are Malus domestica. This is the first plant stem cell derived from Salus of Advilus patloba apple, which has self-healing property, form an active ingredient with proven efficacy to protect longevity of stem cells, delayed senescence of essential cells, and helps to combat chronological aging. Solar vitis. It efficiently protects epidermal skin stem cells against UV stress and delays senescence of essential cells, thus helping photoaging and retaining healthy-looking skin. Acai berry. Acai has the ability to support health and normal cellular tissue growth. These powerful antioxidants help defend the body against life's stressors. It helps to better heart health, weight loss, skin health, digestive upset, immune system, blood circulation, anti-aging and many more issues. Blueberry. It helps in boosting up the immune system, neutralizes free radicals, reducing belly fat, promote urinary tract health, preserves vision, boosts brain health, improves heart health and aids in constipation and digestion. Crystal tomato, Solanum lycopersicum, are rich in colorless carotenoids which are phytoin and phytofluin with highest form of vitamin C. They are essential to form a natural UV shield on cellular level. Since human being cannot produce this, tomatoes are one of the most effective way to naturally protect cells from damaging free radicals. Mulberry leaf. It is known for its strong sugar blocking properties that helps to battle diseases like diabetes and cholesterol. It contains an element called 1-deoxynitromycin that controls the absorption of glucose and antioxidants that helps to decrease damage caused by free radicals in the body. Snow algae. It grows on harsh environments such as glaciers, produces valuable stress response molecules. Snow algae helps to stimulate the production of a longevity gene that promotes cellular defense and energy. Its benefit includes improved skin texture and skin tone. Wheatgrass boasts some impressive nutritional stats. It's an excellent source of chlorophyll, vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E. And to top it all off, wheatgrass contains 98 of 102 earth elements found in soil, including phosphorus, calcium, iron, magnesium and potassium, as well as essential enzymes and 19 amino acids. Wheatgrass benefits include reverse aging, suppresses hunger, cleanses the blood, combats odor, and has been linked to the prevention of cancer. Lemongrass, Symphopogon, better known as lemongrass, is used for treating digestive tract spasm, stomachache, high blood pressure, convulsions, pain, vomiting, cough, achy joints, rheumatism, fever, the common cold, and exhaustion. It is also used to kill germs and as a mild astringent. Our product, Double Strength Callus, includes Malus domestica, Solar Vitis, acai berry and blueberry. Another amazing product, the Crystal Cell, includes Crystal Tomato, Malus domestica, Solar Vitis and acai berry. And our next revolutionary product called Crystal Snow Green includes mulberry leaf, snow algae, wheatgrass and lemongrass extract. Our product, Double Strength Callus and Crystal Cell, are most effective when the content of sachet is placed under the tongue, as there are millions of nerve endings that absorbs these ingredients in the blood, resulting in direct absorption without destroying of ingredients in stomach acid. It is best to consume on empty stomach followed by intake of water. This product can be taken by every age group to have the most beautiful wellness in their life, as it is a wellness product. Phytoscience is always committed to uncompromising product quality, and we continue to innovate with revolutionary product.